Okay, here we have a boatload of the Radar Hunter robots, and some of them, like this one orange one, must have picked up at a swap meet because his antenna is missing, but the rest of the robot is there. They were all made in Hong Kong as far as I know. Is this one sparking? I don't know. I was wondering because of the hole, but it's awful smooth running, so I would say no. Sit there. Let's take a look at one of these more typical ones here. Ah, now this one says made in Japan, so this is a different vintage, different manufacturer. Oh, his foot is catching every now and then a little piece of flashing that could be cleaned off that plastic. But its radar did spin, it did walk. This one says, I think it says Hong Kong. Print is so small, let's see if the camera can pick it up. I didn't give it much of a whine because I don't want to have to sit here and wait for it to unwind. Just wanted to see if it worked, and it does. So sit there. Let's take a look at this blue guy here. This says Hong Kong. So far that's the only one that said Japan. They walk, they spin, those are all working. What about this guy? This says Hong Kong, but in bigger letters. You can actually read it. He is smaller and different. I didn't give it much of a whine, again for the same reason. We don't want to have to sit here all day and wait for it to unwind. It winds real easy, which means it's going to need several turns. And then there's these boxed ones here that have never been out of the box. Still have part of the sticker, Windup Radar. A silver gray one, a yellow one with kind of bluish arms. Not learning a whole lot. Same key, just variations. That's pretty cool. A lot of variations on the Radar Hunter robots, including swap meet ones with broken antenna stems. The one out of the whole group that was made in Japan. Can you see any real big differences? I mean, it is a different chest piece. The eyes, look how the eyes are chromed and stand out from the plastic. Whereas, well, they do on this one, just not as much. There's some differences on the body. There's more detailing, like little knobs and stuff, which they don't have here. Pretty much a direct copy. They must have gotten hold of the molds, bought the molds or something, and made those.